I'm here with my good friend, Chef Jose Mendin. Chef, how many restaurants do you own?
I have 11 restaurants. And then we have restaurants in Miami, and we have restaurants in Mexico City and in Dominican Republic.
Sounds to me like a lot of your menu feature pork. Why pork?
I've been eating pork all my life. Pork is very important in my cuisine. First of all, because of the flavor, and because it's used in a lot of the cultures of the cuisine I like to cook.
All right, so let's switch gears for a little bit. I heard some news about this disease called African swine fever that only affects pigs. Now, you serve a lot of pork in your restaurants, in all of them. Are you concerned about the safety of your customers? Are you concerned about the disease at all?
I'm not concerned at all. This is something that, like you say, does not affect humans. It is something that does not raise any concern of me serving pork. I will never, put my customers or my family at risk.
What about those people who are at home, who love to eat pork? Should they be concerned about pork?
They should not be concerned. Like I said, pork is safe, and they can read into it. They can get more educated about it, but they'll find out that there's nothing to be worried about.
So, Chef, where can people turn to for information about the safety of pork?
Well, you can go to pork.to and you will find all the information you need about pork and about anything that is trending or anything that's going on. You should look into it.
Great. And what about your recipes? They sound delicious, so where can I find some of those?
Well, I've done a lot of recipes with the National Pork Board, and you can find them at pork.to. And you will find a lot of the stuff that we've done together, from Latin to Asian, and you'll find a lot of information about the recipes and myself.
Thank you, Chef. I appreciate your time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.